In the vast and tumultuous theater of nature, few events are as striking as the tornado. These vertical cyclones of devastating power have captured human imagination for centuries. In this documentary, we will explore the science, history, and impact of tornadoes, revealing the fascinating force of nature that forms in a turbulent dance between air and earth. A tornado is a rotating column of air extending from a storm cloud to the ground. These atmospheric phenomena are classified by their conical shape, rapid rotation, and extremely strong winds. Most tornadoes form under severe storm conditions, where ascending and descending air currents interact, creating a vortex that can reach speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour. Although tornadoes have been observed since ancient times, modern science began to unravel their mysteries in the 19th century. The first systematic study of tornadoes was conducted by British scientist Francis Weston, who in 1880 published a paper detailing the mechanisms of tornado formation. In the United States, the so-called Tornado Alley, a region including parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas, is particularly known for its intense tornado activity. To understand a tornado's strength, scientists use the Fujita scale, created by meteorologist Dr. Tetsuya Fujita in 1971. This scale classifies tornadoes from F0 to F5 based on the damage caused. F0 tornadoes are the least intense, while F5 tornadoes are the most devastating, capable of destroying entire buildings and launching objects over great distances. The destructive power of a tornado is immeasurable. In 1925, the tri-state tornado, one of the most devastating in U.S. history, caused destruction across 3 states and left over 600 dead. More recently, the Joplin tornado in 2011 devastated parts of the Missouri city, resulting in 155 deaths and millions of dollars in damage. Preparation is essential to minimize the risks associated with tornadoes. In tornado-prone areas, it is crucial to have an emergency plan, build proper shelters, and stay informed about weather forecasts. Creating survival kits containing water, non-perishable food, and first aid supplies can make a difference during and after a tornado event. Tornado forecasting has advanced significantly with modern technology. Satellites, Doppler radars, and meteorological simulation models are helping scientists identify favorable conditions for tornado formation with greater lead time. In the future, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning is expected to further improve forecasting accuracy. Although tornadoes are more common in certain regions of the U.S., they also occur in other parts of the world. In Brazil, for example, tornadoes are relatively rare, but can occur, particularly in the southern and southeastern regions. Other countries, such as Japan and Australia, also have their own tornado patterns, which exhibit distinct characteristics. Tornadoes are a powerful manifestation of nature that remind us of both our vulnerability and our resilience. By understanding and respecting these phenomena, we can better prepare to face their challenges and continue to marvel at the grandeur of the earth. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the power and beauty of tornadoes.